Well, you may have heard the phrase small but packs a punch before, and researchers, including a professor at Purdue University, are using a small and unlikely animal to help develop body armor and components for helmets, buildings, and even cars.
That's right. As News 18's Cameron Harden learned, a tiny sea creature is the one behind the big discovery.
This one is the one that hits the shell.
When you hear words like armor and helmets, would you immediately think of a shrimp? Well, Purdue professor Pablo Savatiri does, and soon you might too.
It could be armor, it could be cars, it could be airplanes. At this point, we are trying to understand the design guidelines. It could also be helmets, right, for protection.
It's all thanks to the doctile club used by the mantis shrimp to hit its prey. The club moves at the same speed of a bullet and does no damage to itself when it hits other hard surfaces, thanks to its composite structure material that resembles a spiral staircase. Savatiri and his team have been using 3D printers to try and perfect the new material that he hopes saves lives in the long run.
Right now, the technology to actually make composites is there. We can use it. But what we don't know is the right design, the right distance between fibers, or what kind of material we can actually combine.
Some of the first 3D printed composites at Purdue have shown the spiral staircase structure combined with a herringbone pattern can withstand extremely high stress. Savatiri says the hope is for these materials to be incorporated into as many materials as possible, including civil engineering applications. Reporting on Purdue's campus, Cameron Harden, News 18.
A little shrimp, who knew?